Hi, this is Janet Quiring again from HIN 620, and today I am going to show you my database, and we are going to show you a view for what we are creating for our diabetes registry. So for the first screenshot, I am showing you my demographics table and all of the scripts that we recorded for that. So let me click to the next one. I'll close out of here. The next one is the demographics table. And as you can see, I have my table here where I have my patient ID, first name, last name, address, city, state, zip code, gender, their A1C, and their age. Let's see. The next screen capture that we did from my workbench is the screening or diagnosis chart, but I labeled it as type 2 screen. And what you can see here is the tables are connected by patient ID, and what they have here is their fasting plasma glucose, their A1C, their BMI, which is a weight that when you get 25 or above, it sort of is indicative of you having type 2 diabetes. And then your age, because at age 45 is when they usually like to start screening for type 2 diabetes. And if you have test positive for 2 times with a fasting glucose of above 6.5 or 6.5 or above, or if you're that's your A1C, but your fasting glucose is above 100, then 2 of those is indicative of type 2 diabetes, and your A1C, if it's 6.5 or above, is indicative of type 2 diabetes. So we'll go to the next screenshot. And what we were to do this week was to create a view for you to see by gender and by A1C the values for our patients. So by gender, I combined the two here to create this view, if you can see it. I created it with a new view, and it shows you the gender here, male, female, and then each of their A1Cs. The next screenshot you'll see is the bar chart that I created to actually put in their A1C values, as well as their connecting it to the patient ID. And this chart is their fasting glucose. This chart is their A1C. This chart is their BMI. This chart is their age. And that's how I created that type 2 table. So the next one is the female view capture only. We wanted to compare the males and the females. So this one here, this view here shows you only my females that have and their A1Cs. And this was also created from a new view. The next one shows you my male view, only males and the A1Cs that accompany them for my patients. And then the third view I created was to show you all of the patients combined that have an A1C of 6.5 or greater. And that's what you see here. And then what I wanted to show you lastly is how I created my statements. So for my new view, I did it where the gender was female, and in order by A1C. The next view was for male, so I selected from all from my combined chart where the gender was male, order by A1C. And then the last one was my statement for select from all in the new view where the A1C was 6.5 or greater, which is this little statement here. So this is what we're showing you this week. And next week, I will show you the entire chart and everything that we have put together for it. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and thank you for your time.